Hello friends, welcome to Stars and Spells. Today I will show you how to do a ritual to make a person come back sorry, come back like shame, come back because feel guilty. So what do you need? The anchor for this spell will be the violet, purple flowers. This is to connect soul and spirit. This is to do the psychic connection with this person, to open the channels. And you will need a large onion. You will need pepper. You will need coconut oil. You will need a tissue. This is like a napkin or a paper. A white paper, rings like this. Black one, red, and purple. Purple represents the spirits, red represents the heart, the love, and the black one represents the sadness that you are suffering, and you need this person have a lesson to know the value you have. And you will need a white candle, you will need a pencil too. Okay. We need to start this in a calm mood. It's important to pray, it's important to do a meditation. You need the picture of the person too, that is the most important. The first we do is put the flowers around the plate that represent the spirit, represent our intention, that is make this person have a lesson, have a spiritual lesson, an emotional lesson. Then we put here the onion and we drop 7 times the coconut oil around the onion. 6 and 7, okay? Then let me put this here. You take the onion and you cut at the middle. And thinking in all the pain, all the tears, all this sad situation that you feel in your heart. You may say, if you take the onion, you may say, this is the heart of, and you say the name of your lover, and this heart have pain through it, and you cut. So this person will feel that pain that you have in your heart. You open it, and then you take away the center. Because you need to put here some ingredients. Away the center, and then you take the picture and put pepper here, close the onion, and tie the onion. And feel that sad when you do this. Remember all these things this guy did to you, to make this person cry, to make this person remember this moment and feel nostalgic, and this person feel guilty and feel very, very bad, like make us feel this. You need to light the candle. You can ask to the power of fire to make this person light his mind, to recognize his mistakes or her mistakes, and then you take the piece of paper. I have it here. Take the piece of paper and you write the word pain. Okay? You will put this here on the onion. Then cry and put this pain away from you and taking a tissue. That is my tears, that is my sadness, that is the betrayed feeling that I have. Never think in hate because you want him or her come back. So you have to think that is so painful for you, and you need this person feel the same, feel guilty about what he did to you. Put this together, the tears and the paper that have the word pain in front of the candle, the white candle, that this white candle invokes the spirits to witness what are you feeling. And then you can take a hammer and start to do this. Then you kiss the paper and say, now you come back to me. This is your home sweet home. And pray that in the next 7 days, this person will call you and you can fix everything in this relationship. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and I see you again in the next video.